Two Hearts, One Melody, we are Mirai!
Inspirations, yung mga idol ko talaga, more on K-pop ako. I'm usually like a 17 girly and like, numerous girl groups. And our dances are inspired by them as well as J-pop groups such as Festive, ayun, mga ganun.
Same din kayo, mga K-pop groups, J-pop groups, and P-pop groups ko.
I think my strongest point would be my energy on stage. I like to keep the crowd going, all smiles, and dapat energetic para yun, lahat masaya.
Yung strongest point ko naman po sa pagiging idol, yung kay Rai po energetic, and then yung sa akin naman po yung pagiging soft, or yung nonchalant. And yun yung sinasabi ng mga tao na gusto nila yung dynamic naming dalawa. Ako, soft, tapos siya, energetic. Ayan po.